Hey guys, it's Danielle with Danielle Gets It Done, and today I'm going to show you how I did in January using my Plum Paper Planner and my initial plans for the month of February. Hope you enjoy.
Gonna love you, honey, on and on and on. I'm a morning dove singing out a song.
Here were my 3 goals in January. Complete the vegan challenge, which I did. Yoga 4 times a week. So I did not do yoga 4 times a week, but my real intention with this was more of like the calming effects of yoga, and I've really been focusing on meditation, and I've done that 4 times a week. So I would still give myself a pass for that goal. Goal number 3 was to really work on James's special time. That's when I spend 15 minutes of uninterrupted connection with him every day, and I would give myself a B+ on that. I did this for the first time, positive affirmations and gratitude for each day of the month. As you can see, I did not do great, but I am going to attempt that again in February. At the end of the month, I keep track of my zone cleaning, which I got from How Jen Does It, and I did really well in January. I was on zone number 7, the office, zone number 8, laundry room and catch-up, zone number 1, the kitchen, and zone number 2, more of the kitchen. So each week I focus on deep cleaning one of these zones, and I completed everything in January, and I hope to do it again in February. This is also something I did new this month, and I am definitely going to do it again. So I kept track of what I'm watching, what I'm reading. I am a slow reader. It takes me usually 2 months to finish a book at least. And I have 1, 2, 3. I'm on my 4th book. So let me know. I don't know if you guys would be interested in like a what I'm reading video, but I've been into nonfiction this month. Kind of like business stuff, visualization, positive energy stuff. Podcasts, I've also been into podcasts. Tamala from Tamala D introduced me to these first 2, and then I found the 3rd, and I like all of them a lot. Again, it's kind of on the same, it's kind of like a girl boss. It's a girl boss month for me. Products I'm loving, as you can see, only 1, so I'm not going to do a monthly favorites this month, but I'm loving castor oil. I take little breaks from it, but you put it on your eyelashes before bed, and I am telling you, you notice a huge difference in length. So give that a try and let me know. I learned about lunar phases, online marketing, manifestation, and law of attraction this month. I did the YouTube challenge. I rebranded my YouTube. Pop culture news. So I went to school in Montecito, and there were some bad mudslides this month. So, of course, there were much more news than that. There was much more news than that, of course, but that's what I wrote down. And then I did the same thing in February, the same format, and I like this. I'm going to continue it. I did not meal plan or use the fitness section this month, but I did use the blog section, which I use for YouTube. So at the top, I do ideas. It's kind of a brain dump. And then here were my goals. I wanted to grow to 400 subs this month. I was at 300. So that was a goal of gaining 100 subs, which I did not do. I think I gained 72. So I'm at 372. But I'm still really proud of that because it was a big goal. I think the largest I've ever grown before in a month was 60, and that was during a giveaway, so I'm still really proud. And then I did most of these. So I rebranded, I changed my YouTube and my Instagram name. I used some of my music some of my sister's music. She's an artist. And I did not order a camera yet, but I am going to do that. I think I've picked out what I want, and I'm going to do that maybe this week here. And then this is where I post my final schedule, and I had some expenses. And then these are my final stats. I'm not really done doing February yet, but here are some ideas. I kind of screwed up here and the whiteout wasn't working, but I have not done goals yet. And then I started filling in my schedule. So not much here yet, but I just kind of wanted to show you how I utilize this. Okay, here is the first page of February. I really want to do these 3 big goals every month. This month, I would like to continue on my meditation journey and really working on self-care. It's really been life-changing, so I really want to focus on that again, so I'm carrying that over. And then I would like to get into blogging. I just started a blog and I'm committing to 1 blog post a week. I love writing and I think it's a good creative outlet and hopefully a good kind of addition to my YouTube and Instagram platforms. And then goal number 3, we have 3 big trips coming up and I have not bought tickets or figured out details for any of them. I'm starting to get really stressed, as I should. So I really just need to it's probably going to take 2 to 3 hours total. I just need to set aside the time and get that done this month so I don't waste money on higher airline tickets. And then I do have a lot of birthdays in February, but I just haven't filled it out. I'm not sure if I will. As I mentioned, I'm going to give it 1 more go of writing down a grateful statement every day. And today's February 3rd. Doing good so far. And here is my zone cleaning plan for February. Right now, this is the bathroom week, master bathroom, zone number 3, and I'm about halfway done with that. I'm going to finish up tomorrow. Next week, I'm going to be cleaning the master bedroom. Then after that, we're on to zone 5, living room, entryway, patio, and porch. And then the last week of February, I will be working on James's room and the guest room. My shopping list is all caught up. I really love this. So I'm going to continue to write things down as I need them and then check them off as I purchase them. It's been helpful. This is in the My Home section, which that shopping list is also in this section. There is a garden section, and I do think we are going to attempt a garden again this year. It failed miserably last year, but I do think that I'm going to start some initial planning this month. So I have nothing to show you right now, but hopefully at the end of this month, I will at least have thought about it a little bit. But this is nice. It has some tips here and some space to brainstorm. Hope you enjoyed this. That is everything. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed, I'd love to have you. Click on that icon and join me in the next video, and whatever your plans are today, I hope you get them done. Bye guys.
Ooh.